We are not inclined to accept the contention of the department as submitted by Mr. Setna, the learned counsel appearing for the respondents for the following reasons: that section 4 within bracket C is a defining section of the expression related person, and the said section must be read and seen in the context of third proviso to section 4 within bracket 1. If one therefore reads the entire section, it is clear that three conditions are required to be satisfied before invoking the third proviso. Firstly, there should be mutuality of interest. Secondly, the price charged should not be normal price but the price lower to the normal price, and that extra commercial considerations have reduced the normal price. Thirdly, the alleged related person should be related to the assessed as defined in section 4 within bracket 4 of the said act. It is only if the above three conditions are satisfied, then alone it can be said that the third proviso to section 4 within bracket 1 is applicable. The first part of the definition of related person as mentioned in section 4 within bracket C of the said act lays down that a person who is sought to be branded as a related person must be a person who is so associated with the assessed that they have interest directly or indirectly in the business of each other. The inclusive part of the definition is merely an expression of the first part. Both the parts must be read conjunctly. If the argument of the learned counsel for the respondent is accepted, then the word "and" which joins the two parts of the definition would be rendered meaningless. It is well settled rule of interpretation that the legislative mandate should be so read that no word used by the parliament should be rendered nugatory. Reading this section as a whole, it is clear that merely because a company is the subsidiary of holding company, ipso facto, it cannot attract section 4 within bracket C. It must be further established that each has interest in the business of the other. It must be further established that the transaction in question is not based on principle to principle, and that extra commercial considerations have lowered the normal price. It is only then the third proviso to section 4 within bracket 1 is attracted. The view which we have taken is also supported by the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Attic Industries Supra, as well as the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Mobbed India Limited versus Collector of Central Excise. A reading of the definition of relative would show that the relative need not be a person who is so associated with the assessee that they have mutual interest in each other businesses. If that were the case, the expression relative in the second part would be as much as a relative would be subsumed within person in the first part. Thus, relatives would also be persons who are so as associated with the SSC that they have a mutual interest in each other's businesses. The legislature, by application of a de jure test, has extended the meaning of related persons to include the entire list of relatives per se without more as related person.